The 1958 Chevrolet Impala, that would become the Limelighter, began its life in California as the personal car of Mario Ghiorzi of San Juan Bautista. A member of the Padres of San Juan Bautista Car Club, Ghiorzi commissioned renowned customizer Bill Cushenbery to give the new Impala a tasteful, mild custom treatment. It was the only custom car Mario ever owned. In the early 1960s, Ghiorzi sold the Impala to Frank Gould, an accountant from Hollister, California. Gould wanted something far more dramatic and returned the car to Cushenbery, who completely transformed it into one of the defining customs of the decade. The project reportedly cost around $10,000, an enormous investment at the time. Completed in 1964, the Limelighter reflected the changing direction of American custom car design. Elaborate scallops and panel paint of the late 1950s were replaced by sculptural bodywork and vibrant candy finishes. Cushenbery rebuilt both ends of the Impala by hand. The stock grille, bumper, and headlight surrounds disappeared in favor of deeply tunneled Lucas headlamps, peaked headlight pods, a rolled front pan, and a handcrafted grille opening filled with expanded metal mesh. The rear received matching treatment with handmade tunneled taillights, a rolled pan incorporating the exhaust outlets, and a grille echoing the front design. Every factory molding was shaved. The signature roof scoop and side pitchfork ornaments were molded into the body and reshaped. The striking candy lime gold finish with subtle emerald fades inspired the name Limelighter. The interior was equally imaginative. A wing strut supported two 1950 Nash instrument pods, while a custom center console housed the radio, switches, and a 1957 Oldsmobile instrument panel. The steering wheel came from a 1960 Oldsmobile. Power remained a stock 348 cubic-inch Chevrolet V8. The Limelighter earned Best Custom honors at the 1964 Winternationals, becoming one of Bill Cushenbery's signature creations. After years on the show circuit, the car changed owners several times before falling into disrepair. In 1998, collector Bud Millard acquired the remains and hoped Cushenbery would restore his own masterpiece. Before work began, Bill Cushenbery passed away. Restoration was instead entrusted to Oz Welch of OZ Customs in Oroville, California. The rebuild preserved the original design while introducing carefully chosen updates, including a 2-inch chopped roof, LED lighting, a 1996 Chevrolet 350 small block V8 with a 700 R4 automatic transmission, air suspension, digital gauges, chrome reversed wheels, and modern upholstery. The restored Limelighter has since appeared at major custom car events and remains one of the best preserved examples of Bill Cushenbery's craftsmanship. More than 60 years after its debut, it stands as an enduring symbol of the golden age of American custom car building.